In today's video, I'll show you how to create a drop-down list in LibreOffice Calc to keep your data clean and consistent. Start by opening LibreOffice Calc and loading your spreadsheet. Click the cell where you want the drop-down to appear. If you want multiple cells to share the same list, click and drag to select the range. Just make sure you don't include your header cell. With the cells selected, go to the top menu and click Data, then choose Validity. This opens the settings that control what users can enter in those cells. In the Validity window, stay on the Criteria tab. In the Allow drop-down menu, choose List. This tells Calc that the selected cells should only accept specific predefined options. Next, type your drop-down choices into the Entries box. Enter each option on a separate line. For example, type Pending and press Enter, then In Progress and press Enter, then Done. Each line becomes a selectable item in the drop-down. Make sure Show Selection List is checked so the drop-down arrow appears inside the cell. Click OK to apply the rule. Back in your sheet, click one of the configured cells and you'll see a small arrow. Click it to open the list and choose a value. If someone tries to type something not included in the list, Calc will prevent the entry. That's how you create a drop-down list in LibreOffice Calc and keep your spreadsheet entries accurate and consistent.